It is really important part of our Christmas traditions. Let me taste it. Yes, it's wonderful. It is sweet, but that's the way we like it. But this is perfect. I'm getting to the Christmas mood now.
We will start by putting the half of the wine to the pot. Apple juice, 2.5 deciliters of sugar, star anise, cinnamon and cloves. And then we will peel the ginger. I'm using the spoon. This is the Thai style that I learned in Thailand. Add the ginger and then peel the orange zest. That's enough, half of the orange. Then we will start boiling. We will start a couple weeks before Christmas and we will end it on the first week of January. Many people drink it almost every day on Christmas time. You can make it at home or you can buy it from the liquor store or supermarket. If you buy it from the market, you need to heat it up in a microwave or like this way. And normally we will simmer it like 15 minutes before adding the rest of the wine. You can add all the wine straight away if you want, but then there's no more alcohol left after you boil it. So that's why I do it half first and then the rest, and I'm not gonna boil it anymore. Just heat it a bit and it's done. Let it cool or you can drink it straight away. And we have these traditional Finnish glöggi glasses, where I will put the glöggi now.
This is certainly worthwhile making at home to get a little bit to the Finnish Christmas spirit. Try it, it's not difficult, follow the instructions and you will certainly enjoy it.